Breathing in and out. Breathing deep into your abdomen, allowing it to expand, expanding the hips, and slowly breathing out. Breathing in and slowly breathing out through the nose. As you visualize the bubble of light around you, with every breath out, see that bubble of light expanding. It's becoming further and further, 2 to 3 feet around you. 4 to 5 feet around you. Gently feel your first chakra. Feel it spiraling your second chakra. Your third. Fourth, the fifth, just bringing awareness there, the sixth, the seventh, and we go up to our higher self. We call upon our guides. The guides from the first chakra, the guides from the second chakra system, from the third, from the fourth chakra system, calling upon all the guides in all those dimensions, the guides from the fifth chakra system, the guides from the sixth chakra system, the guides from the seventh chakra system. We call upon our higher self. We call upon the ascended masters, El Moria, Kithumi, Lady Nada, Kuan Yin, Ella Gorby, Saint Germain. We call upon all the ascended masters of our universe and our galaxy. We call upon the logos. We call upon the Ashtar command as we reach higher and higher. We call upon the White Brotherhood of the Light. We call upon the healing team. We call upon the angels, Raphael, Gabriel, Uriel, Michael. Call upon the elemental kingdom. We call upon the Elohimic consciousness, Metatron, Enoch, Ezekiel, as each one represents a certain geometrical shape. Each one represents a certain fractal of your consciousness. We're calling upon the Syrian Council, the Andromedan Council, the Palladian Council, the Sasani Council, the Arcturian Council, we're calling upon our soul, the Oversoul, call upon Christ consciousness and Buddha consciousness. We call upon the karmic board and the divine directors. We ask all of them to come together into one column of light, a fluorescent tube of light, of a crystalline shaft. Aligning it with the sun and the central sun, with all the planets and all the logos. We recognize the support team, that all of them are celebrating this moment of unifying into a greater collective consciousness. As we feel that energy becoming into one column of light, into a fluorescent tube of light above your crown, we ask of the activation of our chakra systems. We ask the activation of the crystalline light within our body and all its dimensions. We ask the activation of our energy bodies, of our etheric, emotional, mental, astral, causal, and galactic. As that light flows through you, we ask to activate the 12-strand DNA through all timelines, through all dimensions, through all our past, through all our future, to here and now, to anchor it in through us into this earth. Affirm to yourself, I surrender, I let go, and I allow. Let go of all expectations, all desires. As this light anchors in, creating an infinite loop of light. As you open yourself in your crown and all your centers, through all the timelines, to receive this divine energy, to raise yourself into a higher octave, to accept your divinity, to activate the light body, to integrate into this moment, to give birth to a new you. With this, we ask all the support team to initiate us into a new mandala which will illuminate our bodies and minds and spirit, where our spirit and soul can dance together, where we can feel whole and complete, where our hearts illuminate, our minds surrender, and our body radiate light. We ask to be of service to the light. I am that I am. I accept the light as the wisdom codes flow through you, as the crystalline light shifts the perceptions and the rainbow colors of light start to reflect within your field, understanding that you are just a soul experiencing this reality. Understanding to be patient with yourself, be gentle with yourself, be loving with yourself, and most of all, being acceptive of yourself. As that energy spirals all around you and within you, the crystals within the organs are coming alive. As that energy starts to flow down through the soles of your feet, as you're being blessed, being blessed and accepted, as all the beings around you celebrating your initiation into a new crystalline mandala, a new geometrical shape, a new life form, a new beginning. I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. Om. Breathing into your body,